Okay, this is Andrew Saland reporting again from normally sunny Boca Raton for Lenny, Dykstra's Nails Nation. Hi Adam. Still some pretty heavy winds here. Torrential rains are starting. We're going to have it pretty bad probably, they say, for the next 3 to 4 hours. We see some definitely some trees down, and we're hearing of palm tree tops getting sheared off somewhere nearby here, Boca Country Club. You can see, if I zoom in here, unfortunately the American flag is in absolute tatters. The flagpoles themselves are getting blown back and forth. In any case, we'll try to keep you guys updated, but hunker down for the time being.